So here's my second flight with my Mavic Air drone. I knew the battery was low, so I just wanted to take it out over the water, kind of play with it in the water, see how low I could get it. Trying to see the alligators I saw when I had the GoPro and throwing it in the water. Can't see any alligators there, can we? But man, is it creating some waves. Almost looks like it's going in. And then I took it straight up. So this is a real short flight. So I seen the birds. I'm like, let's go catch a bird. So birds, here we come. At least I thought I sent it that way. There we go. Now there's a whole bunch of little white birds there at the bottom. See that on the right? See them? And I hit return to home. And there I am, my red car. Now the picnic table is right underneath the tree. So it comes right over me and then it wants to come down and I'm still, it's supposed to avoid obstacles, but I was kind of leery. All right, it's returned to home. And I want to bring it down. Now it automatically turned like that. That was pretty cool. And then I moved it out a little bit and to a soft landing. It's so cool how easy it lands. Thanks for watching.